Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide I will show you how to fix Beyond Two Souls game crashing on PC or not launching or stuck on loading screen error. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check system requirements of the game. For that, simply go to Steam and then click on store page. Here search for the game, go below, and here you can see the requirements for the game. So simply go through it and check whether your system has all these requirements or not. After this, try to play the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, the second method is to restart PC or Steam. So to restart Steam, just open Steam, click on Steam option and then click on exit. Once done, now click on Windows option over here, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. After this, check if you can play the game without any issue. If not, third method suggested is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, click on library section. Now select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and here click on browse option. This will take you to the folder where your game is installed in your PC. Now select the application, right click on it and click on properties. Now go to compatibility tab. Here select run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and then on OK. If this works then fine, otherwise here click on compatibility mode. Select run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8, or even you can select Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK. After this, launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, the next suggested solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select the game, right click on it and then click on properties. Under properties, click on install files and here you should click on verify integrity of game files. After this, try to play the game and check if this works for you. The next method suggested is to modify launch option. Again, go to Steam, under library section, select the game, right click on it, select properties. Under general, you can see launch options. Here simply write DX11 and then check if this works. Otherwise, write -DX12 and then check if this solution works for you. The next solution is to clear download cache on Steam. So simply open Steam, click on Steam option and then click on settings. Now go below and click on download option. Here go down and here you can see clear download cache and here clear cache option. Simply click on it and now try to play the game. Hopefully this solution will work. If not, then next is suggested disable in-game overlays. For that, again go to Steam, under library section, select the game, right click on it and select properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It's enabled, simply click on it and it will be disabled. After that, try to play the game and check if the error is resolved. Next solution is to allowing the game through firewall. For that, you simply go to the search option and look for Windows Defender firewall option. Open it. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Click on change settings. Here you need to find the game, or if it's not available, simply click on allow another app. From browse section, you can add the app and then click on add. After this, find the game that you are looking for, click on it and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked mark, and then click on OK. And now check if you can play the game without any problem. Next solution is to updating graphics card. For that, go to the search section. Here, look for device manager. Click on display adapters, right click over here and then click on update driver. After that, click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best drivers for your PC and will install it, and after updating it, check if this works for you, or else you can also jump directly to the link provided in the descriptions, open them and download the latest drivers for your PC. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. If you know any third-party overlay application is enabled in your PC like Nvidia, Shadowplay or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it, as this can lead to some unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to check graphic settings in the game. So you should check the resolution or texture quality or any other graphic settings that are not properly set up in the game. Make sure to set it up properly, as this can somewhere make you suffer while playing the game. Lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issues and play the game smoothly. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, click over here, go to Task Manager and under Processes tab, find out the app that is consuming high resources or is of no use for now. Simply select it, right click over here and then click on End Task. This will close the app completely and then try to play the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, type check for updates, and here Windows Update interface will open. Here click on check for updates option and it will check for latest updates if available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, try to play the game and check if this works for you. Next method suggested is to run the game on graphics card. So for that, you simply click on the search option, search for graphic settings. Here you need to add the game, so go to the path where your game has been installed, select the application and add it here. Now click on the arrow icon. In the GPU preference, you need to select high performance and then check the game if it's playable without any further issue. The next is to install Visual C++. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just follow it and try to download and install the latest Visual C++ on your PC as per requirement. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, simply go to the search option and look for View Advanced System Settings. Now under Performance, click on Settings option, then go to the Advanced tab. You can see virtual memory options, click on Change. Disable this and then click on Custom Size. In the initial size, type 24576 and then in the maximum size type 49152. This setting is for 16 GB RAM that you have on your PC, and then click on OK and then try to play the game, and hopefully this will work for you. If not, the last solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under Library section select your game, right click on it and then click on Manage. Under Manage, click on Uninstall and then click on Uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After this, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, install the game again and try to play it. Hopefully this method will work and you can easily play the game without any further issue. So that's all for now. Thank you.